Just imagine balls.
Okay. How long? How long?
1 minute. I just started recording.
Okay,
Hide!
minute.
Do we close the door?
Just
Yes.
leave it.
Yeah.
I can't close it.
You have 45 seconds now.
They have lights now, though, right? Okay.
Do they?
I hope so.
Someone on low.
That's not strobe. That's just me clicking my finger.
No full auto in the building. That's not full auto. This is.
All right, who wants to be point man?
I think you're taking point.
Okay, fine by me.
I can't wait to get shot. Ow!
You're.
Fucking cunt.
Hey, you said you can't wait. You said you can't wait.
I will fucking remember this.
How much longer?
5 seconds.
5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breach.
They're breaching, boys!
You're taking point. We're clear for here.
Okay, but do I have to keep the pin or does it stay attached?
Hit! You're hit?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, you got me. Good job.
Better than the rest could do. And all of our other events.
Hit. That's a hit.
I'm not shooting at you. Oh, shit.
Sorry.
You'll get them next time, Austin.
Yeah.
Oh, hit. All right, game.
That's sick.
Game!
Hey, I lived the longest.
Will, how do you feel about this?
Feel great. That was awesome.
Yeah, do you like getting
My
shot?
finger hurts so bad right now.
So fucking